how to log in to Gemini Wallet app. Now, if you wish to log in to the Gemini Wallet app, it is fairly simple for us to do so. All you have to do is launch the Gemini Wallet app, and this is the type of option or interface that you will see. Now, if you do not have an account, you can tap on Get Started and go on about creating a Gemini Wallet account. But if you already have an account, tap on the Sign In button from the bottom. Go ahead and then make sure to enter the email address under which your Gemini Wallet account was associated with. Then go about typing in your password. If you're not sure what password you typed in, you can tap on the eye icon on the right hand side of the box to view the password you typed in. Sometimes, if you forgot your password, you can tap on Forgot Password button to reset it using your email address as well. But if your credentials are correct, as long as your email and password is correct, then when you tap the login button, you will be successfully logged in to your Gemini Wallet account. That's all it takes for us to log into Gemini Wallet. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.